Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share my story of post-pregnancy. After the pregnancy, my skin became very dull with fine lines and dark circles that were visible. Then I started using the Lotus Organics products, and trust me guys, they have proven to be a miracle for my skin. Lotus Organics is vegan and cruelty free, and all the actives used in their products are 100% organic, certified by EcoCert. So let's start to know how to use the products. I have been using these products for a while now. So here is the first product from the range of Lotus Organics Precious Brightening range, the cleansing balm for removing an intense nourishment.
It comes in a beautiful jar packaging.
This product does not contain any sulfate or artificial fragrance, and it is enriched with 100% certified organic white peony extract. The non-greasy, velvety, smooth textures melts away the rigorous makeup without stripping away the skin's natural oil. I apply the organic product at night time by taking a scoop of cleansing balm, then I gently massage it over my skin using fingertips to melt out dirt and grime. Then I rinse well using warm water and pat dry. So whenever you feel like removing the makeup or cleaning your pores deeply, you can use this product, which leaves your skin feeling super smooth and refreshed. After cleansing my face with Lotus Cleansing Balm, I love to apply Lotus Organics Precious Brightening Facial Oil. It comes in a well-packaging glass bottle that has a dropper which works efficiently. The brightening facial oil is prepared by blending fresh 100% organic white peony extracts with soybean, sweet almond palm, carrot oil and olive oil. The organic lightweight product delivers smoothness and dazzling radiance. Also, it maintains the skin's hydration level. As you guys can relate and know, skin gets dull after the pregnancy and looks lifeless. So I started using this facial oil. Taking 2 drops every morning and night, it helps my skin look radiant and healthy like you can see now. My skincare routine doesn't get completed without using this product, which is Lotus Organics Precious Brightening Under Eye Cream. Post-pregnancy, my skin got dull, under eye, dark circles, fine lines were there, so I started using this product, which has a pump roller, cooling roller, which I can say, has a safety cap on it, so you can keep it anywhere, keep it in your bag also when you're traveling. So it is made of 100% certified organic white peony extracts. And you know what? It has a very smooth texture. I keep on using this. You won't feel heaviness under your eyes. So it is very smooth, light to use, and it has a very good texture also, which keeps your skin moisturized and hydrated. So whenever you are feeling fatigued and contour eyes, just use this cream. You will feel relaxed. I use this product in the night time by gently massaging the under eye with a cooling roller. This product has reduced the pigmentation and puffiness in my under eye area. And with this, it keeps my under eye skin very hydrated. So these were the 3 products that I loved from the Lotus Organics Precious Brightening range. I will highly recommend Lotus Organics range to you guys. All the products are linked in the description box. Thanks to Lotus Organics for sending across these products. It's been like 3 months I'm using these products, and these are amazing. And you can get a 10% additional discount on Lotus Organics site. Use my code MANSI10. Thanks for watching, and comment below which is your favorite one. Thank you.